Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how to draw this Megaman character in Inkscape. So this is a vector graphic, an SVG file. You can download the source file and follow along, or just take it apart and make changes if you want to. This is an intermediate level tutorial. This artwork's been created by UkrArtdesign. Go ahead and check out some of their stuff, linked in the description of this video. Let's hop over to the screencast. We'll get started by selecting the ellipse tool, and we'll left click and hold to draw an ellipse or a circle for the helmet. We'll go back into selection mode, and we'll left click and hold to drag this around. Then we'll go into the fill and stroke settings, and we'll just make sure our opacity is turned up, not completely because we want to be able to see the shape behind it. We'll right click and go to duplicate, and then we'll draw. So now we have three circles. We have two duplicated and then this orange one here. And so we're going to go path, object to path to convert just this circle. We'll change the size a little bit, and then selecting both the circle and the one behind it by holding down the shift key while left clicking each one of them, we can go to path difference. And that sort of creates this half circle shape within here. Then we'll go to the Bezier Curve tool, and we'll left click and hold. We'll create some nodes here. What we're doing is creating the outline of this helmet, and we're going to go to union, path union, while both are selected. And now we have two circles here, the back complete circle and then this front one of the helmet. Does that make sense? And the front one is sort of a path as it cut out. We'll create the face now by doing a path. We'll make sure the stroke is off and the fill is set to on, and then we can change that color. And then the same thing, we're going to go to duplicate this, and we'll just repeat all of these steps. So really what we're doing is just doing path difference, path union, creating custom paths, and then using them to kind of slice each other off. Just get familiar with that. You have to duplicate the object, and then path union, path difference. So again, this is sort of intermediate. I'm going to assume you already have experience using those path tools. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video here. You can slow down the video if you'd like to. In the bottom right hand corner, you can slow it down to as slow as quarter speed, I believe, here on YouTube. But enjoy this artwork, and we'll catch you in the next video.